Here's what you need to know about what is zero trust. This is an exam topic in Domain 4, Network Security. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. Zero trust is a security model based on the principle of never trust, always verify. It assumes that threats exist both inside and outside the network, so no user or device is trusted by default, even those already inside the corporate perimeter. Every access request must be authenticated, authorized, and continuously validated. Key concept: never trust, always verify. Traditional security trusted anyone inside the network perimeter. Zero trust eliminates implicit trust. Every user, device, and application must prove they are authorized before accessing any resource, regardless of their location. Key concept: least privilege access. Zero trust enforces least privilege. Users and devices get only the minimum access required for their role. Access is granted per resource, not per network. If an employee does not need the database, they cannot reach it. Key concept: continuous verification. Zero trust does not grant permanent trust after one login. It continuously monitors behavior, device health, location, and access patterns. Anomalous activity triggers re-authentication or access revocation automatically. Key concept: microsegmentation. Zero trust uses microsegmentation to isolate individual workloads and applications. Even authenticated users can only access specific resources. Lateral movement between systems requires separate authorization at each step. Let's look at the full breakdown. Traditional perimeter: trust everyone inside the network. VPN = full network access. Lateral movement unchecked. Single breach = full exposure. Zero trust model: verify every request every time. Access per resource, not network. Microsegmentation blocks lateral movement. Breach limited to authorized scope. Here's a real-world example. A company adopts zero trust after a breach where an attacker stole a VPN credential and accessed everything on the internal network. Now, when an employee logs in, their device health is checked, MFA is required, and they only get access to the specific apps their role permits. If they try to access payroll data outside their role, the request is denied. If their behavior changes suddenly, access is automatically re-challenged. Quick recap before you go. 1. Zero trust. Never trust, always verify. No implicit trust for anyone. 2. Least privilege. Grant only the minimum access required for each role. 3. Continuous verification monitors behavior and device health after login. 4. Microsegmentation limits lateral movement between systems. 5. Replaces the old perimeter model where inside = trusted. That's what is zero trust covered. Exam tip: zero trust is not a product, it is a framework. Key principles: verify explicitly, use least privilege, assume breach. Microsegmentation is the network implementation of zero trust. The exam may describe a scenario and ask which security model it represents. Next up, what is MAC filtering? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.